Welcome to SoSo English Patterns. Our patterns are digital PDF formats that you can purchase online, download to your device to print at home, or send to a copy shop for large-scale printing. This video will help guide you through purchasing and downloading, as well as printing and assembling your pattern. All patterns are available on our website at www.sosoenglishfabrics.com. To get started, you will either need to create an account if you do not already have one, or simply log into your existing account on our website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Pattern section here on the site. You will be able to see all available patterns for purchase. You may click the pattern to open the full listing with more information, view size charts, fabric requirements, and scroll through examples of the finished garment. Add the pattern to your cart. This is a digital product, and you will not receive anything physical in the mail for your pattern. If you have other items in your cart that require shipping or local pickup, you may select the appropriate option. Once your purchase is complete, you will be taken to an area where you can immediately download your pattern, as well as also receive an email at the address associated with your account. You may download your files now or at any time. To view at a later time, navigate to the My Patterns area of your account. For each pattern, you will see multiple files. Our patterns are available in 3 formats for printing: US letter, which is standard 8.5 by 11-inch copy paper; A4, international standard copy paper; or A0, a copy shop file for large-scale printing like a blueprint. It is important to select the correct file based on your paper size to ensure proper scale when printing. You will also see a separate file for the tutorial. You will need this file in addition to your chosen file format for your pattern. The tutorial will contain detailed information and instructions regarding pattern assembly and construction of your garment. To open and view your PDF files, it is best to have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your device and utilize this free software to allow you to select desired size layers and ensure proper print scale. You will find a link to download Adobe Reader within the tutorial if needed. We recommend reading through your tutorial first to help you get acquainted with your pattern, including viewing the size charts, determine which sizes and pages you may need to print. On the first page of the pattern, you will notice a measurement square here. It is recommended to print only the first page as a test page prior to printing your complete pattern. Print the first page and use a rigid ruler to measure the square for accuracy. When printing, it is important to select the proper print settings. To print only the first page, you will select page 1. Ensure actual size is selected, as well as portrait orientation. If your test square measures as indicated, you have printed to the proper scale and may proceed with printing the rest of your pattern using the same print settings. If not, it is recommended to check you have opened the correct file for the paper size you are using, or check your print settings and try the test page again until it measures correctly. When viewing your pattern file, you have the option to select only the layers you would like to print. You can access viewing layers by clicking here. You will see each size has a layer, and you may simply uncheck the layers you do not wish to print. The base layer needs to print along with any sizes you have selected, as this contains guides and information to assist you in assembling your pattern.
After you have printed your complete pattern, you're ready to assemble with either a glue stick or Scotch tape. The guides that will print are vertical lines and horizontal lines along the edges to help you align your pages. Using your chosen method of either a glue stick or tape, you will begin to assemble your tiled pages by simply overlapping and using the vertical as well as horizontal guides. Each page has a tile guide to help you with aligning your pages. When beginning a new row, you will simply follow the tile guide to help you assemble the rest of your pattern, following along, aligning and overlapping the pages row by row. If you have any questions at all about your So-So English patterns, feel free to ask questions within our Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching, and happy sewing!